Up and down. Again. Again. One more. Pressure's okay? Yeah. Good. Take a deep breath in for me. All the way out. Good. Again. Same thing on this side, Michael. And breathe all the way out. One more time for me, please. Perfect. All right. All I want you to do, you're gonna bring the arm up like this for me, okay? Go ahead and bring it up and down. Again. Again. Two more. Last one. Perfect. Getting your lat here, it might be a little bit painful, so just let me know how much you could tolerate here. You okay?
Yeah.
Take a deep breath, Michael. And okay. Let me have you bring the arm up and down. Again and down. Two more. Last one. Perfect. Good. You okay?
Yeah.
It's right there. One more. Good. No pain?
No. Not compared to what you just did.
Yeah. You might be a little sore too from that, but you should feel much better afterwards. It should open up the range of motion in like 2 days, okay?
Yeah.
Perfect. Give yourself a high five. Right there. You okay like that?
Yeah.
You're gonna roll in just a little bit. Yeah, I feel a little bit right there. I'm gonna adjust first.